Hey, I wasn't able to find your website or your web page or Facebook page, um, but it looked like you're in the San Antonio area. So coming through here, you notice there's two types of Google ads. These ones you have to be verified. They're supposed to be a little less spammy. And then you got the original uh, Google ads. Then you got the GMB. Coming down here, you got the organic ranking. So grabbing this number one guy. So what his website looks like. Uh, Layout looks nice, but it doesn't look like there's all that much content. Only 515 words. Generally, it's nice to have at least 1,000. But so basically, you'd want to have at least 1,000 and put keywords in it. Um, Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. Another thing is, let's see what these images are saved as. Uh, Best riffing warranty Texas. I mean, if he wants to rank for that, then he could rank for that. But I would have this like a city location specific, a little more than just Texas, and I would want to have it like roof repair or something. That every image you can save it with a keyword, and it'll just give you a little extra bump when it comes to ranking and extra keywords you can rank for. Plugging this guy into Ahrefs, cool tool I like to use. He's got 37 UR 2.4 DR, and he's got 4,060 backlinks and 257 referring domains, 742 keywords he's ranking for, and he gets 1,300 people that visit him a month. So I mean, his DR score isn't all that good, but his UR score is good, and he's got a lot of backlinks, so it's given him a pretty good boost. But we can come in here and see what backlinks he's got and go after them ourselves. I'd want to go after ones with a high DR and a high UR score that are relevant to your industry. You don't want to get the spammy low ones, as well as you don't want to have like fast food or somewhere else linking back to you. You'd want something that's relevant to the roofing industry. Just give you more strength from Google. Google's pretty smart. But let's say we like this one, 5229. That's looks nice right there. I come in here and see how I got this. This looks like to me, yeah. So he just came in here and he, if I can translate this, let's translate it, see what it looks like. But he made it an account and he linked his webpage here. I'm not sure if this is necessarily relevant content-wise to the roofing industry, but if you wanted this, you could definitely go and post your comment with your website to give yourself a backlink from there. So that would be considered blog commenting. But then other ways you can go to all your competitors, find every backlink, get everything that you want, and then go to every competitor and get theirs as well. And other ways you could do it is you could do blog commenting, which I just showed you. You could get guest posts, blogs, news articles, or basically anything that will link back to you, but you want to make sure it's not spammy and it's relevant. Next thing would be keywords. Let's go check out this guy's keywords. San Antonio roof. Right there is one. 400 people searched that. 450 people searched that a month. 24 KD. So that's a little bit more difficult to rank for. But it would just take a lot longer to rank for that one. The lower the KD, the easier it is, and the higher, the more difficult it is. Roofing contractor, San Antonio, Texas, 450, 19 KD. How about we can come down here and find some of the ones that are a little lower. KD roofers, San Antonio, 200 people search that a month. 11 KD, so that's quite a bit easier. And we can just keep going. Best roofing company near me, that's a national keyword, but it's super easy to rank for. So you could toss it into your website, but so it's not terrible, but I would make sure you get location-specific ones too. Let's see if I can find a low one. Best roofing company, San Antonio, right there. 90 people search that a month. 8 KD. That's pretty easy to rank for. But you can just come here, keep checking all these keywords, and you can go check other competitors and do other types of keyword researching as well. Best roofers in San Antonio, 70 people search that, 5 KD, very easy to rank for. So you can just plug some of these best roofers in San Antonio, 70 and 4 KD. So if you see there's still some out there. Best roofers San Antonio, 20 people search that a month, 6 KD. You want to get obviously high volume, low KD, but you can go after the higher KD too if the volume's good enough. But yeah, you can just put those in your images or your content on your web page and start ranking for those. The next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. Make sure you fill out 100%, and then add photos with keywords in them. The photos are the content for the GMB, and then the next thing would be citations. Taking the top guy, that's still searching for some, but right as of now, it's found 2 citations. It's probably still a fair amount out there that it's gonna find, but citations are like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, basically just directories out there. So you want to make sure your name is the exact same in the directory as it is on your GMB, your phone number, as well as the location, and then you can get a citation for it. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can schedule a phone call or a video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching and hope you have a good day.